Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2015 Suzuki Vitara Sport, stock reference number 5665. This shape runs from the 8th month 2008 through to the 12th month 2018. It has a J24B 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. J24B 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, right hand headlight, right hand fog light, tidy front bumper cover, left hand fog light, left hand headlight, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Bonnet has no damage. Left power door mirror. Left hand tail light. Hard spare wheel cover. Tidy rear bumper bar. Factory fitted tow bar with all bolts, brackets and loom. Tailgate has one large dent behind the spare wheel. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both right hand doors have no damage. Right guard has one small dent. Right power door mirror and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black and tan cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heater controls, factory sat nav CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons.